Is okay, my 9 and 10-year-old to do fasting in Canada time is very longer. يعني fasting is compulsory. I mean, if we talk about the Sharia, fasting is compulsory at the age of puberty. So if your son, your daughter are adults, then they have to fast. They are responsible now. Okay, before that, the way of the companions to train the children to fast. Okay, what is the age? Okay, there is no specific age from the Prophet ﷺ. Because fasting is not like a prayer. Prayer, the Prophet ﷺ said to tell the children to pray from the age of 7. But fasting is different. Why? Because they stop eating and drinking, and sometimes in Kuwait, now we consider we are at the beginning of summer. We are fasting how many hours? 15 hours. But if you remember, before maybe 10 years, we were fasting 16 hours and the temperature up to 50, 51. Okay? So if the child, especially if they go to the school or they have to do some activities, okay, it will be difficult for them if the weather is hot and the day is long. Okay? But again, this depends on everyone. Don't tell me now the age. Depends. What about his health? Maybe his age is 10 years old, but he is very thin with anemia. Okay? If he fasts for 10 hours, he'll be very tired. While the other one, his age is 6 and his health is okay, and he can fast 20 hours, no problem. Okay? So it depends. But some doctors, pediatricians recommends that from the age of 8 we tell them to fast. But before the age of 8, maybe it is not good as a health to fast. Don't tell them to fast the full time. So exactly the situation there in Canada, Allahu A'lam. Okay, maybe you can tell, you can check if it is okay with them or not. But the point is, the companions radiallahu ta'ala anhum were making their children to fast, and when they start to cry and asking for food, they will give them something to play with. They will not tell them, go and drink water, khalas, this is enough. No, they will tell them, yalla, go and eat, play and do this and this, until they forget the way, and until they reach the weight of the time of sunset. Allahu Alam.